Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement, and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are compare and convert metric units, convert between customary and metric systems, precision and Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is compare and convert metric units. Okay, here I'm on grade 7 math. We're working on the chapter unit of measurement and the lesson is compare and convert metric units. Okay, which is more 142 millimeters or 1 meter? So which is the correct option? Whenever you compare two of the uh, values, you make sure they both are in the same units, right? For here it is 142 millimeters and 1 meter, right? So you have to convert either this millimeter to meter or either this meter to millimeter, right? So you can convert, you can see 1 meter equal 1000 millimeters, right? So which is more? 1000 millimeters is more than 142, right? That means 1 meter is more than 142 millimeter, right? So 1 meter equal 1000 millimeters, right? Okay, the next one is which is more 9 kiloliters to or 89 hectoliters. So you need to convert them. You need to convert, make sure they both are in the same units before you compare them, right? So you can convert the kiloliters to hectoliters, right? We know that 1 kiloliter equal 10 hectoliters. So 9 times 10 is 90, right? 90 hectoliters. So 90 and 89, they both are in the hectoliters. You can compare them now, right? That means 90 is more than 89. So 9 kiloliters is more than 89 hectoliters. The correct option is 9 kiloliters, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which is more, 1 hectoliter or 67 liters? That is a conversion from hectoliters to liter, right? So first you have to convert them from hectoliters to liters and then you have to compare, right? So 1 hectoliter equal 100 liters, right? This is a conversion between hectoliter to liter. So 1 hectoliter equal 100 liters, right? So here you have one, that is 100 liters. So which is more, 67 liter is more or 100 liter is more? 100 liter is more. That means 1 hectoliter is more than 67 liters, right? That means 1 hectoliter is more than 67 liters. The correct option is 1 hectoliter, right? Okay, which is more, 9 liters or 9000 milliliters? Which is the correct option? We know that 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters, right? So then 9 liter equals 9 times 1000. So 9 times 1000 is 9000 milliliters. There you already have 9000 milliliters, right? So they both are exactly, yes, they are equal. Neither, they are equal. Very good. Okay, which is more, 6 milliliter or 1 centimeter? Which is the correct option? So you have to convert 6 millimeters and 6, you have to compare 6 millimeter and 1 centimeter, right? So 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters, right? Yes, very good. 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. And obviously 10 millimeters is more than 6 millimeters. So the correct option is 1 centimeter, right? 1 centimeter is more than 6 millimeters. Okay, which is more, 1 kilometer or 13 meters? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. 1 kilometer is more because 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters, right? So 1000, sorry, 1 kilometer equal 100 meters, right? So 100 meters is more than 13. So the correct option is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is more than 13 meters, right? Okay, which is more, 1999 grams or 2 kilograms? Which is the correct option? Yes, 2 kilograms, because when you convert from kilograms to grams, to in 1 kilogram you have 1000 grams, right? So 2 times 1000 is 2000. So obviously 2 kilograms is more than 1000 grams, right? Okay, which is more, 1 meter or 99 centimeter? Which is the correct option? Yes, 1 meter is more than 99 centimeter because in 1 meter you have 100 centimeters, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is convert between customary and metric units. Okay, 2 gallons is same as how many liters, right? That is a, you need to compare 2 gallons to liters. So 2 gallon equal, 1 gallon equal 3.8 liters, right? And then you have to 2 gallons, so you need to multiply 2 times 3.8, that equals 7.6 liters, right? So 1 gallon equal 3.8 liters. We can note down these basic conversion. 1 gallon equal 3.8 liters. Let me just fix the pen. Okay, now let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 3 inches is same as how many centimeters? Which is the correct option? We are given the hint 1 inch equal 2.5 centimeter, right? So for 3 inches, what you have to do, you need to multiply 2.5 times 3. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 7.5. So the correct option is you need to do 3 times 2.5, right? So that means you have 7.5 is the correct option. Okay, 2 gallons is same as how many liters? And you are given the hint 1 gallon equal 3.8 liters. So you need to multiply 3.8 times 2. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is 7.6. The correct option is 7.6. You need to do 2 times 3.8. That equals 7.6. The 4 kilograms is same as how many pounds? And 1 kilogram equal 2.2 pounds. So which is the correct option? Yes, 2.2 times 4 equal, that is 8.8. Very good. The correct option is 8.8. 5 feet equal how many meters? Which is the correct option? Yes, that equals 1.5. So you need to do 5 times 0.305. That equals 1.5. Okay, 6 miles is same as how many kilometers? 1 mile equal 1.6 kilometers. So which is the correct option? You have to do 6 times 1.6. So the correct option is, Yes, that is 9.6. The correct option is 9.6. Okay, 6 centimeter equal how many inches? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 2.3. You have to do 6 times 0.39, right? And that equals 2.3. 10 feet equal how many meters? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 10 times 0.305, that equals 3. The correct option is option number 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is, oh, that is 3.1. Precision. Precision means how accurate the decimal values are, right? And how exact the measurement is. Which measurement is more, right? So the one that has the more decimal values is the more precise. Like you have to compare 9.1 and 72.51, right? When the units are same, the measurement with more decimal places is more precise, right? Because you can see 72.51 minutes is measured to the hundreds of a minute, right? Hundreds of a minute is smaller unit than tenth of a minute. So the measurement of 72.59 minutes is more precise, right? The one that has more decimal values is the more precise. Let's just start with the test questions. Can you hear me? Which measurement is more precise? Okay. Which is more precise, 74.23 or 58.8? Which is more precise? Yes, that is 74.23. The measurement that has more decimal values is the more precise. That is 74.23. Got it? Okay, which measurement is more precise, 68 kg or 2.8 kg? 2.8 is more precise, right? The correct option is 2.8. Which measurement is more precise, 48 week or 90.29 weeks? Which is the correct option? That is 90.29 is more precise. Okay, the next one is, which measurement is more precise, 14 teaspoons or 3.15 teaspoons? Which is the correct option, which is more precise? 3.15 teaspoons is more precise, right? The correct option is 3.15. Which measurement is more precise, 9.1 or 72.51 minutes? Obviously, it is 72.51, right? Okay, the next one is, which measurement is more precise? So, 43 inches or 71.7 inches, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 71.7, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, basically the Fahrenheit and Celsius are the units to measure the temperature, two different units, right? So we are going to learn the conversion here. How do we convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, right? Okay, but here you can see, what is the temperature of a hot bowl of soup? You have to choose the reasonable answer. 20, 100 degrees C, 37 degrees C, 20 degrees C, and 0 degrees C, which is the correct option. But here, okay, what is the temperature of a cold glass of water? Choose the more reasonable answer. You have 2 degree Fahrenheit and 2 degrees Celsius, which is the correct option. That is 2 degrees Celsius, right? Because 2 Fahrenheit is too, yes, 2 Fahrenheit is too hot. That would be 2 degrees Celsius. 2 degrees Celsius is a cold one, right? Okay. Which is which is the temperature of a hot bowl of soup? 63 Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius? Which is the correct option? Hot bowl of soup, right? That would be 63 Celsius, right? Because 63 Fahrenheit is for too cold, right? Okay, what is the temperature of a bowl of ice cream? Choose the more reasonable answer. Is it 37 degree F or 37 degree C? Which is the correct option? That is a bowl of ice cream, right? That would be 37 degree F. The correct option is 37 degree F. What is the temperature inside a house? Choose your reason. The more reasonable answer is 66 degree F or 66 degree Celsius. Which is the correct option? Inside a house, it is 66 Fahrenheit. The correct option is 66 right? Okay, what is the temperature? If Jim has a fever, what is his temperature? Choose the more reasonable answer, which is the correct option. It is 103 Celsius or 103 Fahrenheit, which is the correct option. That is, I think, 103 Fahrenheit. The correct option is 103 Fahrenheit. Okay. What is the temperature of a cup of hot cocoa? 69 degrees C or 69 Fahrenheit. That is 69 degrees Celsius, right? What is the temperature of a warm grilled sandwich? Warm grill it is, right? That means it is 55 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature inside a classroom? That is 21 degrees C in the classroom, right? What is the temperature of a hot barbecue grill? Hot barbecue grill, so that would be 92 degree Celsius, right? What is the temperature inside a refrigerator? Which is the correct option? That is 36 degree Fahrenheit. What is the temperature of a hot day in the desert? That is 38 degrees Celsius it is, right? What is the temperature outside of on a very hot day? Which is the correct option? That is 46 degrees Celsius, right? We're done with the lesson. Also, I think we are done with the chapter unit of measurement for grade 7. It is. We are working on grade 7 math. Chapter we're working on is unit of measurement. Yes, and the lessons we have covered today are compare and convert metric units, convert between customary and metric systems, precision and Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? Right? If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any question related to the lesson we just finished, you can ask. I'm here to all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can ask. No questions? No questions. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.